Hey there, this is my review of this Thai tea. It's a tea made in Thailand and it tastes really good. This is the package here. Let's see ingredients. See Thai right in there. Let me turn this up like this so you can see. It smells really good. Let me pour some out so you can see what it's like. You can see. See, that's what it looks like there. Made some tea here so you can see what it looks like when it's all mixed together. So a little bit dark. You could add some sugar or honey to it if you like, but I like to take it straight up. It tastes pretty good without adding anything to it. It also has a lot of caffeine in it, so be careful how much you drink if you need to go sleep. It's probably not a nighttime tea. Hope you enjoy.